And I want to immediately go back on the ground to my colleague Kanu Sarda. Kanu, go ahead. What is the latest update you have?
Yes, Pooja. I've been joined by one of the petitioners, counsel Satyam Singh Rajput. He will tell us what exactly the Supreme Court order has said. Sir, kya hua?
Supreme Court has constituted the independent body comprises by the 5 members, 2 from CBI police and 2 from state police and 1 is from Food Safety Authority. And Supreme Court has disposed of the petition while commenting that if there will be anything that we can approach the Honorable Court in this matter. But SG has also mentioned that earlier SG mentioned that SG have full credibility in a SIT constituted by the state, but it was objected by the respondent and petitioner side. Then Supreme Court agreed to constitute an independent SIT comprises by the 5 members.
So what will happen to the already state constituted SIT?
That will be the disposed of. That will be the so now the new SIT will be in the picture.
Supreme Court has also commented that the Supreme Court can't be a political ground, can't be used as a political ground for this.
Right. Even the SG mentioned the same that discounting the political issues coming to the faith of the crores of millions of devotees, they have ordered for the independent body.
So do you think that the independent SIT will, the Supreme Court which has constituted, will have some kind of repose the faith of devotees?
Obviously, because that is why Supreme Court has intervened in this matter, just to protect the faith of the devotees.
So what is your petitioner's reaction to it?
Because my petition, my prayer was the same, that there should be an independent body. If you just look at the prayer of my petition, so I have asked for, my first prayer was for an independent body by the Supreme Court itself. So that has been granted. So I think nothing left in the matter now.
So the SIT committee report will be submitted to the Supreme Court?
It will submit it to the central government.
To the central government.
Yes.
And the central government will now take further action?
Yes, the central government will appoint the CBI director will appoint 2 from CBI. State government will appoint 2 from state police. 1 will be appointed from the food safety authority.
Why is the role of FCCI important over here?
Because it related to the food matters, and the expert of the food is a FSCI, and it is the supreme body. So that is why 1 member from food safety is very important.
So the earlier committee also had some lab reports attached to it. Why have you doubted that then?
So SG did not doubt it, but the other party, even we have doubted that, because it was the what happened. It was in the collision of the state government. That is why just to protect the faith of the and just we can keeping the transparency and independency, Supreme Court has ordered the independent.
So Pooja, very clearly this.
Right, yes. A lot of heightened activity there, and that's what Kanu is also helping us understand what exactly happened in the corridor. Kanu, when does the investigation begin? By when will the SIT constituted? Has there been a timeline that has been specified on that, or that could be in the days to come?
Pooja, the timeline has not been scheduled so far because the order will get to the central government. The central government will have to appoint some few members. It will be notified. So it will either take couple of days or maybe by 1 or 2 days the order will be out, and we'll see the timelines attached to it, because the advocate was clearly saying that the matter is being disposed of. So centre will now play a key role in deciding the factor that whether there is some kind of adulteration in the laddus or not. So now the independent SIT investigation, whatever it will happen, will have to be handed over to the central government, and central government plays a very, very important role from now here onwards. The Supreme Court has disposed of the entire matter from here, so it will not be a court-monitored probe. It will be a independent SIT, which is, now going to investigate the entire Laddu controversy.
But that SIT, Kanu, has to eventually submit the final report to the top court. Right? It wouldn't be, I'm guessing, to the government or to the senior police officials. It would have to be to the court, if I'm correct?
No, Pooja, the advocate has just clarified that the report will be submitted only to the centre, and the centre will take note of the whatever decision it needs to be taken, whether there was some kind of adulteration. If adulteration reports are found to be correct, the concerned company and the concerned ghee supplier will have to be, will be under scanner, and action will be taken accordingly. The Supreme Court has disposed of the case from here for now, as per the advocate. candidates that we speak to. Supreme Court has no longer kept the matter pending with it. So center plays a key role because
officials of the
it's a
CBI,
director
officials of the state police and that of the food security, the FSS AI as well. What do you think is going to be the investigation pattern here? What are they going to look at? How will they be able to decide if there was any sort of malpractice or if there was animal fat that was used in the Tirupati Prasadam?
Well, Pooja, the FCCI role is key and very important in this case because FCCI is an independent central organization. The lab reports, all the laddus, which were found to be adulterated, the FCCI will, will retest it again and submit a status report to the SIT which has been constituted. SIT, if found something adulterated in the samples, if there is any kind of adulteration, then the role of CBI kicks in and the Andhra Pradesh police officials, because 2 CBI officials and 2 state government officials. So whatever action is to be taken on the supplier of the ghee, if there is any kind of adulteration, then that role steps in. So we have a huge task for the new SIT, independent SIT which was constituted by the Supreme Court today. One will have FCCI will have a major role because all the samples and everything will have to be retested. Secondly, if there is any adulteration, the role of CBI and the state police kicks in.
But, because from the research that I also have, Kanu, it looks like that the investigation had already started. There were some of the stores where the ghee is stored or raw materials are stored, were raided, tested and checked. So possibly that could also be taken into cognizance, or is it going to be a fresh investigation completely? Because eventually it is about confirming in time. It's not about what happens now to the raw materials, but which raw material, when was used, how it was used, and if there was animal fat. And I understand this is absolutely sensitive in nature. We're talking about not thousands, lakhs of devotees who come to the Sri Venkateshwara temple in Tirupati and from across the world. And they definitely do not look happy that if they have been following a certain strict procedure, a strict regime, a strict vegetarian behavior, that there could be animal fat in the prasadam that was provided to them. So do tell us about that. Has the politics ended on this, Kanu? Or do you think that will also escalate?
Yes, Pooja, the politics seems to be ended here because, now there is an independent SIT which is there from the Supreme Court. So no state government, either it is the present Chief Minister or the former Chief Minister, they can't say that they don't have a say in the entire controversy because both were present by their advocates in the Supreme Court also when the hearing has taken place. So they also know that how the new independent agency has been constituted. As far as the samples and the investigation done so far by the state SIT is concerned, the state SIT will definitely submit its initial investigation to the new independent investigating agency because they will also have to re-verify. But for now, the independent investigating agency by the Supreme Court will have to conduct a fresh probe into the entire laddu adulteration probe because they will have to, again cross-check all the facts, including the cross-checking of the samples which are being sent for the adulteration.
And can there be a solid process, a streamlined process, when you're talking about such sensitive communal issues, that there has to be a process that cannot be and should not be questioned at all because it would be that transparent?